Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 6 English class. The Wonder Called Sleep is our 7th supplementary story. The Wonder Called Sleep. Look at the title, children. The Wonder Called Sleep. WONDER, Wonder Called Sleep. The title itself, it is easy to understand the meaning. The wonder called sleep. Sleep. Here sleep compares to wonder. The wonder called sleep. This is a supplementary. This lesson reveals the role sleep and dreams play in our life. Look at these questions, children. Describe briefly an improbable dream you have had. Why are dreams important? Mention 2 reasons. What happens to our body when we are asleep? See, with this question, we can easily identify about the supplementary, the wonder called sleep. Look at this question, children. Why are dreams important? Describe briefly an improbable dream you have had. Definitely everyone has an experience about a dream. You all know about dream, how it acts also, and by the next day, how you perform regarding your dream. Everything we have analyzed in our life. This supplementary, the wonder called sleep, is fully about dream and sleep. What is the purpose for sleep and what is the use of it? Everything we are going to learn in this lesson, the wonder called sleep. Children, now take your supplementary book, that is A Pact with the Sun, page number 25. First look at the title, children. The wonder called sleep. The wonder called sleep. Now repeat along with me. The wonder called sleep. This is our 7th supplementary, children. Our body and brain recover from fatigue after a good sleep. We dream while sleeping, but we do not always remember our dreams. During sleep, our heartbeat becomes slower and our temperature and blood pressure go down. This is an actual fact, children. Our body and brain recovers from everything after a good sleep. That is from a headache, there is a severe headache, or that from body pain. Everything we can get a relief with the help of a good sleep. We dream while sleeping, but we do not always remember our dreams. Yes, definitely everybody has a dream, but we don't always remember all the dreams. But some specific dreams we can remember still now, but all the dreams we can't keep in our mind. During sleep, our heartbeat becomes slower. See, when compared to the daytime, when you sleep, your heartbeat becomes slower and our body temperature and blood pressure, that is BP, also go down. This is the actual fact about sleep. Now look at the first paragraph, children. The supplementary, the wonder called sleep. We know enough about what sleep is, though we don't know what exactly causes sleep. Sleep is a state of rest and unconscious rest. When we sleep, our body recovers from fatigue caused by the day's activities. After a good sleep and the rest that it gives, we become alert and active again, ready for the normal activities of the day. Though we are not Aware of the reason for sleep, we all know what is it. It is a state of unconscious rest. Our body heals itself from day's fatigue and feels refreshed after a good sleep. We get ready for the normal activities of the day after having it. Here it refers to the sleep. We get ready for the normal activities of the day after having a deep sleep. That is the meaning here, children. After a long, that is a good sleep, we can refresh ourselves and we can get ready for the next day activity. Now look at the second stanza, children. There is a second paragraph. When we wake up in the morning, it is not always possible for us to remember what happened when we were asleep. We may remember a dream, but the rest of our sleep was a kind of darkness in which nothing seems to have taken place. Once we wake up, we are unable to recollect the happenings while we were asleep. We may recollect a dream, but other than that, sleep denotes a darkness in which nothing seemed to have happened. See, everyone has dream in our life. By that present dream, we can understand what is it going on. But most time, we can't recall what had happened by the previous night. When we wake up, we can't remember all our dreams. A few dreams we can remember in our life. What is the reason? It is because of sleep. Sleep denotes a darkness in which nothing seems to have happened. Now look at the third paragraph, children. Turn the page number 26. Several things happen to our body while we are sleeping. As we sink deeper into sleep, our muscles relax more and more. Our heartbeat becomes slower. Our temperature and blood pressure go down. The ever active brain also slows down so that we can't think or act consciously, but we dream. Many things occur to our body during sleep. Our muscles get relaxed, heartbeat gets slower, temperature and blood pressure of the body falls down. Even the activities of the brain get slower to stop us from thinking and acting. While we sleep, everything comes down in a normal position, including the temperature and blood pressure of our body. Now look at the fourth paragraph, children. When we wake up, our temperature and blood pressure rise to normal. Our heartbeat and breathing also become normal, and we are fully awake and have forgotten most, if not all, the dreams that we had while sleeping. The moment we wake up, the temperature of our body and blood pressure get normal. Other things like heartbeat and breathing also get normal, and we forget most of the dreams, if not all. A dream is an activity of the mind when we are asleep. Dreams help us sleep through noise and other disturbances. Dreams may reveal something about one's problems, but they cannot tell the future. Now look at the next paragraph, children, fifth paragraph. What is a dream? It is a very important question and is an essential question also. What is a dream? It is an activity. Listen, children. It is an activity. Dream means here it refers as an activity of the mind that takes place when we are asleep. Some dreams are probable while others are not. That only means that many of the things that happen in dreams could happen when we are awake. Others could not. Dreams seem to be important for several reasons. One is that a dream can help us to sleep through noise or other disturbances. For example, the alarm clock rings, but our mind causes us to dream that the telephone or doorbell is ringing and that we are awake and answering it. Dream is nothing but an activity of the mind during sleep. Some dreams are possible while some are not. Some dreams can be realistic. Dreams are important for several reasons. They help us sleep through any noise or disturbance too. When we are asleep and the alarm bell rings, we dream that the telephone bell or the doorbell is ringing and we are awake and we go to answer it. Now look at the next paragraph, children. Certain doctors have found that one's dreams often reveal a great deal about one's problems and that if understood correctly, they can provide a key to the solution of those problems. But we must remember one thing. Dreams cannot be used as a way to tell the future. They simply can never tell the future. Some doctors say that dreams throw light upon one's problems and sometimes the solutions are also hidden in the dreams. But although dreams may reveal problems, they just can't predict our future. Now look at the last paragraph, children, that is seventh paragraph. Sleep is the most common experience, but how many of us really think about the wonder and power of sleep? Many poets have written beautiful poems about sleep. Here is one in which the poet is describing the experience of falling asleep. Sleep is the phenomenon that happens to everyone. All of us experience it, but hardly any of us is able to think and talk about its power. Many poets have written poems on sleep like the following poem. Look at this poem, children. It is an example for sleep, or we can say as the importance of sleep. Lights out. I have come to the borders of sleep, the unfathomable deep, forest where all must lose their way, however straight, or winding soon or late, they cannot choose. There is not any book or face of dearest look that I would not turn from now to go into the unknown. I must enter and live alone. I know not how. Is a poem about sleep, children. That's the importance of sleep. Here the poem gives about the importance of sleep. The sleep has its own role to make one feel refreshed, and it also gives some importance about a dream. It gives the meaning of dream. Dreams are an important activity of the mind during sleep. They are important because they help us to sleep. Doctors say that they reveal much about the problems we are facing and also provide solutions to concerned issues. So, children, by this supplementary, the wonder called sleep, we can understand the entire meaning of sleep. That's also for the question, why is sleep called a wonder? Now look at the answer for this, the final answer. It transports us to a new world. The sleep transports us to a new world. It makes us to forget our worries and sorrows. We have lot of worries, we have lot of, this and that, every work we have in the morning till evening. But what about by the evening? That is in the night time. While we sleep, we forget everything and we concentrate only our sleep. Then in the sleep, we can have some dreams also. With the dreams, we have some fun activities also. So, sleep and dreams are very important for a human being as well as a living creature, we can say, children. That sleep transports us to a new world. We can imagine a new world with the help of sleep. It makes us to forget our worries and sorrows. It helps us to forget everything in our life which was happened in the morning to till evening. We can forget everything during sleep and also with the help of our dream. Now look at the summary of the supplementary, the wonder called sleep. Sleep has its own role to make one feel refreshed. Sleep is termed as the unconscious state of rest. A good sleep gives us rest and calms down our mind and body after a day's tight activities. Our body recovers from all the fatigue through sleep. Say this is the summary of the supplementary, the wonder called sleep. Look at the first line. Sleep has its own role to make one feel refreshed. What is the main role of sleep? It's to make one refresh, one feel as a refresh. That is the main role of sleep, to refresh the body or to refresh something else. That is sleep. Sleep is termed as the unconscious state of rest. The word sleep means it is an unconscious state of rest. See the first line. Sleep means, that is, what is the main role of sleep? It makes one feel refreshed. And what is the sleep is termed? It is termed as the unconscious state of rest. It is easy, children. Sleep means one feel refreshed and it is an unconscious state of rest. A good sleep gives us rest and calms down our mind and body after a day's tight activities. From morning to till evening, we are in a very busy schedule. Apart from this, while you take rest, that is while you went to your bed to sleep, a good sleep gives us rest. A complete sleep gives us rest to your entire body, including your physical and mental activities, and calms down our mind and body after a day's tight activities. From morning till evening, we are in tight schedule. These tight activities can be stopped through the help of sleep. So, sleep is very important, children. Our body recovers from all the fatigue through sleep. All the disorders can be reduced through the sleep. So, sleep is very essential in our day to day life, or we can say the human being. Sleep is very important. A series of things happen to us during sleep. During sleep, we dream, muscles are relaxed, brain feels refreshed, heartbeat becomes slower, blood pressure and temperature of our body fall down. This is a very important thing about sleep, children. A series of things. What do you mean series? Series means a continuous process. We can say as a series. Series means a continuous process. A series of things happen to us during sleep. That is a during sleep. A series, a continuous things happened in our, that is a during the sleep. What is it? Yes, it is the dream, a continuous dream. For somebody else, what is that? What we can say? The dream takes place daily, but for few people, what happened? The dream takes place once in a week or some days according to their deep sleep. A series of things happen to us during sleep. A routine thing happened during the sleep. That is dream. Okay, what is it? That is dream. That's during sleep we dream. During a deep sleep we dream. Dream takes place. Muscles are relaxed. All our body parts will be relaxed during sleep. Muscles are relaxed. Brain feels refreshed. How your brain? Your brain feels refreshed. Heartbeat becomes slower. Your heartbeat. When you are working or when you are at a somewhat tensed mood, your heartbeat will works faster. But when you relax, that when you in a sleepy mood, or you can say as a sleepy, your heartbeat becomes slower and your blood pressure, that is BP, and temperature of our body fall down. It will be reduced. Fall down means it is in a reduce. It is in normal condition. Okay, that is known as fall down. Your body temperature and the pressure, everything will be in normal when you are in a good sleep. See the difference between a normal sleep and a good sleep. Good sleep means entire every movement has been stopped in your body, both including the physical and the mental activities of your body. That's we can say as the good sleep, a complete sleep. The complete sleep can refresh your body as well as your mind, your muscles, and it makes you to feel refreshed. Your heartbeat becomes slow and your pressure, that is your body temperature and pressure, both will be in a normal level. That is the main purpose of dream. Dreams are an important activity of the mind during sleep. They rejuvenate our mind. They are important because they help us to sleep. Doctors say that they reveal much about the problems we are facing and also provide solutions to concerned issues. See, dreams are an important activity of the mind during sleep. Our mind takes place, that is it takes an activity that is known as dreams. Dreams. A dream is an activity of the mind when we are asleep. It is an activity. It is a routine work. Dreams help us sleep through noise and other disturbances. Dreams may reveal something about one's problems, but they cannot tell the future. And the doctor suggests that with the help of sleep, that is a dream, we can solve all the problems that is we are facing and also provide solution to concerned issues. But the thing to keep in mind is that dreams cannot tell our future, though they recover our body and mind from fatigue that take us away from all the disturbance, yet they just can't tell us our future. Sleep has magical power as it takes us into a strange world. It is a pleasant and most common experience for all. So, dream as a part of our sleep, is very important during our sleep. Dream is also very important activity, that is of the mind when we are asleep. Dreams help us sleep through noise and other disturbances. It is an activity of the mind that takes place when you are asleep. Some dreams are probable while others are not. Dreams seem to be important for several reasons. One is that dream can help us to sleep through noise or other disturbance. And then sleep is the most common experience. With the dream, we can't judge our future. Is a very important thing, children. With the process of your dream, we can't judge your future. During sleep, only one thing, our heartbeat becomes low and our temperature and pressure also go down. Our body and brain recover from from disorders after a good sleep. We dream while sleeping, but we do not always remember our dreams. That is especially our future. Children, now let's learn the new words of the supplementary, the wonder called sleep. Look at the first one, fatigue. Fatigue means that is tiredness. Tiredness, fatigue, F-A-T-I-G-U-E, fatigue. That is tiredness. We are feeling tired, so tired. Look at the example for this sentence, that is for this word, we can frame a sentence. Due to extreme fatigue, he could not walk. So the person became so tired, tiredness. The meaning of fatigue is tiredness. Due to extreme tiredness, he could not walk. So the person could not walk. Why? Because of his tiredness. So for the word tiredness, the proper word that is a vocabulary we can say as fatigue. Fatigue means tiredness. Due to extreme fatigue, that is tiredness, he could not walk. Now can you understand the meaning of this word, that is fatigue means tiredness. Look at the next example, that is as a sentence. We were overcome by fatigue after a trip to Puri. So listen here, the person has went to a trip and by the return they became so tired. So for the tiredness we can use the word as fatigue. We were overcome by fatigue after a trip to Puri. So here tiredness, the meaning of the word fatigue means tiredness. The person feels sad, that is a tired after a long trip. So the meaning of fatigue means tiredness. Second one, unconscious. Unconscious means unaware. Unaware. Again listen children, the word unconscious means it gives the meaning as unaware. Look at the spelling, UN, unconscious. C-O-N-S-C-I-O-U-S, conscious, unconscious. The word unconscious means unaware, U-N-A-W-A-R-E, aware. Unaware, that is the person doesn't have any awareness about that is a concerned topic, or you can say about concerned work. So he was unconscious of this problem. So he was unconscious. He doesn't know the situation, how to handle that. That is unaware. He was unconscious of this problem. He doesn't know the matter of this problem. So he was unconscious, unaware. So awareness is very important children. So here unconscious means unaware. Look at the difference between conscious and unconscious. So here unconscious means unaware. That is The opposite of aware. Aware and aware, that is awareness. He was unconscious of this problem. Look at the next example. She is unconscious of what she is talking. That is, she is unconscious. She is unaware. She is unaware of what she is talking. That is, she is unconscious. She is unaware. He doesn't have awareness of this. So, she is unconscious. Unconscious means unaware of what she is talking. Look at the next one. Sink. Sink means to go down. Sink. The word sink means to go down. Look at the spelling for sink. S-I-N-K. Sink. Sink means to go down. Again listen. Sink means to go down. The ship sank into the river. Look at the next example, children. His doll is going to sink in the water. Sink means that is to go down. The meaning of the word sink means to go down. Again listen children. The meaning of the word sink means to go down. His doll is going to sink. That is to go down into the, that is in the water. The doll is going, that is to sink. Going to go down in the river. The meaning of the word sink means to go down. Look at the next one. Consciously. Consciously. Look at the spelling for consciously. C-O-N-S-C-I-O-U-S-L-Y. Consciously. Consciously means in a state of awareness. In a state of awareness. Consciously means that is in a state of awareness. The meaning of the word consciously means in a state of awareness. Look at the spelling for awareness also children. Now look at the example for this word using this as sentence. Listen here. Ajay made his choice consciously. Ajay made his choice, that is in a state of awareness. Consciously means awareness. That is the boy Ajay made his choice with the awareness. He was full with the awareness. He knows everything. So Ajay made his choice consciously means awareness. Here the meaning of the word consciously means it gives awareness of, that is how the boy Ajay made his choice. Look at the next example. Sita is writing a letter consciously. That is the girl is writing a letter. That is the consciously means in a state of awareness. She has full awareness about that letter. So he is fully with awareness. Sita is writing a letter, that is awareness. In a state of awareness consciously. Sita is writing a letter consciously. The next one. Reveal. Reveal means to make something known to somebody. That is to show something to somebody. That is known as reveal. Now look at the example children. That is as a sentence for that word using reveal. My friend revealed a secret. So it is he released. To make something known to somebody. He released. You can say as revealed means that is to make something to known to somebody. Here my friend revealed means he showed, that is he showed something, that is a secret to others. Next one, his speech revealed his patriotism. Shows his patriotism. Revealed means to make something known to somebody. He shows, that is in his speech he showed his patriotism. So that is the meaning here. His speech revealed his patriotism. So children, learn the supplementary, The Wonder Called Sleep. That is our 7th supplementary. First learn the story thoroughly and then you have to know about the new words. So learn and then you have to take down the new words and question answer in your classwork notebook children. Don't simply copy, spell it and write. First understand the story, understand the meaning of the new words and then only you have to take down in your notebook. First mention the date and then title and then by the next you have to write as the new words, write along with its meaning. So after completing the new words, take down the question answers, spell it and write it neatly. After completing your classwork, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.